Along with the thousands of other students that came here to Poznan University, I chose to come here because of its central location in Europe. We're close to Berlin, Warsaw, and it's very easy to catch a flight to London or Krakow. One of the great things about living here in Poznan is that it's a growing city. So there's always opportunities to get out and experience new things.
Every year, several hundreds of students apply to Poznan University of Medical Sciences. They can choose between 5 programs in English. For many years, Poznan University of Medical Sciences has been at forefront of the best medical schools in Poland. We cooperate with 6 university hospitals in which our students receive not only the best knowledge, but also the good experience, which is so important in their future life.
The choice was easy. I wanted to study in the best medical school in Poland. Here in Poznan, we study according to international medical standards.